For centuries, we've stared at the night sky, captivated by a single blood-red dot. For our ancestors, it was a god of war. For us, it is a mirror, a glimpse into our own past, and a terrifying look at a potential future. This is Mars, but beneath its barren, frozen surface lies a world far more dynamic, violent, and bizarre than we ever imagined. Take its geology. If you think Earth has impressive landscapes, Mars holds the ultimate cosmic trophies. Stretching across its equator is Valles Marineris, a canyon system so vast it makes the Grand Canyon look like a mere crack in the sidewalk. It spans over 4,000 kilometers long. If it were on Earth, it would stretch across the entire United States, from New York to California. In some places, it plunges 7 kilometers deep. It is a scar across the planet, carved by ancient tectonic forces that permanently reshaped the Martian crust. And right next to this colossal scar sits the king of the solar system, Olympus Mons. This isn't just a mountain, it's a monster shield volcano. Rising 25 kilometers into the thin Martian air, it is nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Because Martian gravity is only about 38% of Earth's, the planet's crust could support the weight of magma welling up in the exact same spot for billions of years. Olympus Mons grew so massive that its base would completely cover the state of Arizona, and its summit actually pokes clean out of the planet's atmosphere, resting directly in the vacuum of space. But Mars isn't just a graveyard of giant rocks. It is a world of extreme, alien weather. Because the Martian atmosphere is 95% carbon dioxide and incredibly thin, the planet is a global freezer, with temperatures plunging to minus 150 degrees Celsius at the poles. During the winter, the temperature drops so low that the atmosphere itself freezes, turning straight into dry ice and depositing a thick white blanket over the landscape. When spring arrives, the sun warms this frozen carbon dioxide, causing it to instantly turn back into a gas. This sudden sublimation triggers terrifying planetary phenomena. Giant geysers of gas blast through the ice, carrying dark sand high into the air and leaving eerie, spider-like patterns burned into the Martian dust. This dramatic shifting of air pressure triggers the planet's ultimate weapon, global dust storms. Driven by the sun's heat, small localized dust storms can rapidly balloon, merging together until they completely engulf the entire planet in a choking orange haze. These global storms can last for months, blocking out the sun and leaving robotic explorers stranded in pitch-black darkness. Yet despite this hostile environment, evidence of Mars' water-rich past is written everywhere in the dirt. We see dried-up river deltas, ancient lake beds, and water-carved valleys. Billions of years ago, Mars was a blue world, wrapped in a thick atmosphere, with a massive ocean covering its northern hemisphere. It had all the ingredients for life. Then its core cooled. The planet's protective magnetic field decayed, and the relentless solar wind stripped the atmosphere away, boiling the oceans into space and freezing the rest beneath the soil. Today, humanity stands on the precipice of a new era. Our robotic scouts, rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance, are currently drilling into the dust, hunting for microscopic fossils of ancient Martian life. And above them, an ever-growing network of human satellites keeps watch. We are no longer just looking at Mars as a distant curiosity. We are mapping its valleys, cataloging its resources, and preparing the ground. Because one day soon, the first footprints in that red dust won't belong to a robot. They will belong to us.